Telavik conference booth. Here we have our multimedia solutions. So this is our tabletop device, 10-inch capacitive touchscreen, multimedia interface with some functionalities where you also can do video distribution, up to 6 video sources available, see who is speaking, request lists, agenda control, etc., etc., document management right from the station. You can also use card identification, so automatically identified, and also name can be put on the e-ink nameplates. This is the single-sided one over here. Looking at the back, we already had the card slot, but it also has a USB connection. If you want to charge your phone, for instance, it can also be done over the Plixus network. So basically it's an all-in-one package, both audio, video, but also more information that brings that information to the participants in an easy way. And there's also software control to also redirect stations whenever a certain functionality or focus needs to be brought to the meeting. So if a video conferencing call is started, for instance, you can bring all the stations towards that specific far end video. Those integrations are all possible with this station, so it's a all-in-one combined package for multimedia. This is the tabletop version, but we do also have a 7 and a 10-inch version of that that can be integrated into the furniture, or you can use our standard brackets, which you basically just screw on the table and click in the standard product. We do also have some customized projects where we can add fingerprint identification as well to log in with biometrics. And then we have 7 and 10-inch versions, both in tabletop and flush mount. If you need a bigger screen or you want to integrate something with a specific design of a screen, a larger screen, what we've done is we've taken the electronics of the multimedia, integrated in an under-the-table interface box, and then you can basically integrate it with any screen of choice, being it a motorized screen or not. So if you want more information about that, just visit our website www.telavik-conference.com, and hope to see you or hear from you soon.
How are you?